السلام عليكم magacaygu waa Axmed Cabdi Xasan maanta halkan waxaan uga dhidhinaynaa dacwada ama dacwada ku sheega Kenya ee ka wado dhanka Soomaaliya iyo badda ku haysto oo haddaba ay caddahay in maarta aan uga guuleysanay hordhac ahaan laakiin waxaan rabaa inaan maarta uga qayb qaato aniga nooc poem ahaan ama gabay dhanka Ingiriisana waana sidana u dhacaya. Our seas, our oceans aren't for sale. They are our assets beyond any price. Had you tried to loot an inch by any means, we have Gorgor, Haramad, better watch out. In peace, we are civilized and active, sociable, creative and supportive, full of life, human and innovative, highly respected for our neighborliness. In war, we are rude and aggressive, neither halt nor retreat, we are combative. Then the choice is yours, but don't be indecisive. If you see yourself in trouble, blame your wickedness. Your wickedness stealing other people's properties. Your wickedness fighting with Hormuz towers. Your wickedness bombing camels grazing. Your wickedness massacring innocent people in the name of Amazon. To our envoy at ICJ, led by our beloved Mahdi, I would say you are real men and women. Your love we feel. Our wounds you heal. Even if you are ill, you keep to the deal. Never surrender or kneel to the enemy who is steal our land, our joy, our seas, and kill our innocent people while still unaware of the saying, let sleeping lions lie. Thank you.